Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add text in Filmora. Adding text in Filmora is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you add text to your video in Filmora. Open the Filmora application from your app drawer. Once you do that, click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and import the video file you want to add text to by clicking on one of your videos from your device's gallery. Once you select your video, tap on Import at the bottom right. Now that you've imported a video for yourself, you will be able to see the video imported in the preview screen. Go to the bottom and click on the text option to add text on your video. Now you will be able to see three different options at the bottom. Tap the Add button right under T and then enter a text you would like to add and type it down in the text box. There you'll also be able to see variety of text templates, styles, fonts, animation and much more. From the border, you will be able to change the color of your text border. From the fonts option, you can choose the font style of the text that you've just added. You can also go ahead and choose the pre-made text from the templates option. Once you are done adding the text of your preference, tap on the tick mark and then in the preview window, you will see a text box. Now you can go ahead and position this text box wherever you want on the screen. Go ahead and drag the edges in the timeline and this will determine how long the text will stay on the screen. After you are done, click on the play button at the top of the screen and you will be able to add a customized text in Filmora to enhance your video content. Once you are satisfied with the text and any other edits, click on the export button at the top right corner of the screen and choose your desired export settings. And that is how you will be able to add text on Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.